Sweet lovers, welcome. Today we will prepare the lemon charlotte, a fresh and delicious dessert that concludes your meal with a touch of elegance. Here is the recipe with an Italian twist. For this dessert, you will need 200 grams of ladyfingers, 4 organic lemons for the grated zest and juice, 125 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 500 grams of mascarpone, and 2 sheets of gelatin, or 4 grams of powdered gelatin. Finally, a pinch of salt. For the syrup, 100 milliliters of water, 50 grams of sugar, and 50 milliliters of limoncello will be needed, which is optional. Start with the syrup. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil with the sugar, and after it has dissolved, remove from heat and let cool. Add the limoncello if you wish to add a more intense lemon aroma and an alcoholic touch. Soak the gelatin sheets in cold water for about 10 minutes and separate the yolks from the egg whites. In a bowl, beat the yolks with the sugar until you obtain a light and frothy mixture. Add the grated zest and lemon juice and mix well. Warm the lemon mixture slightly in a double boiler, stirring constantly, to thicken it slightly. Squeeze the gelatin and incorporate it into the hot mixture, stirring until completely dissolved. Let the mixture cool down. Meanwhile, work the mascarpone to make it creamier, and then gently incorporate it into the cooled lemon mixture. Whip the egg whites to stiff peaks, gradually incorporating them into the cream, stirring from the bottom up to not deflate the mixture. Dip the ladyfingers lightly in the syrup and line the bottom and sides of a springform pan, or a charlotte mold. Pour half of the lemon cream, arrange another layer of dipped ladyfingers, and then complete with the remaining cream. Level the surface and let the lemon charlotte rest in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, better if overnight. The history of the charlotte dates back to 18th century England, but it is in French cuisine that the fruit version is found. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to always stay updated on new recipes, and visit our website for all the curiosities and tips. When ready to serve, run a knife blade between the charlotte and the mold edge to help unmold it, then transfer it onto a serving plate.